Hey, Gary Baker here with you, 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about how to use Warrior Plus to make money with affiliate marketing. So the first thing you're going to do is when you log into Warrior Plus and you hit your dashboard, you're going to move over and you're going to take a look inside of the marketplace. There's some drop downs here. You got your home, you got your top products, you got your categories, you got your alerts, you got your deal of the day. So you're going to take a look at that marketplace. And here's what I want you to focus on is actually going into the marketplace and thinking about this as the first thing that you do to use Warrior Plus to make money as an affiliate marketer is to think about your audience. Think about creating an audience. Think about who your audience is, what they need, what they want, how you can help them solve a problem. And you do that by going into this marketplace and looking at the different niches or the different products that are available on Warrior Plus, because Warrior Plus is a lot more than just a bunch of information training products that you see for sale on a daily, weekly, monthly basis that just keep churning out of Warrior Plus. So go in here and look at these categories: marketing education, platforms, industry, software, services. Then there's an other down here. And then go in here and look at these categories and think about the niche and the actual problem that people have and the solution that vendors are providing by creating products and selling them on Warrior Plus, and you as an affiliate, how you're going to promote those products to a subset of people with a specific problem. That's going to be your audience. You're building an audience around people that have a problem, for example, that are focused on utilizing Amazon to make money, eBay, Kindle, or YouTube. You can look inside of these categories and you can find specific products that are targeted and tailored for your audience, and these are going to be the ones that you want to promote. Because simply going here and looking at the top sellers, of course, everybody wants to be associated with and they want to look at who's on the top 10, the top 20, top 25, and then they want to focus on selling these products. And specifically because this little banner up here that says deal of the day, you can see this. These are the products that have been promoted, have been sort of pushed to the top and have been giving sort of free advertising from Warrior Plus, so they get a lot of eyeballs on them. But this may not be the best place for you, especially if you're a beginner, even if you're intermediate and you want to make sure that you're giving your audience the best products from Warrior Plus. As an affiliate, when you recommend these products, just because they're in this top 10 list may not be the place for you to find the product that you want to promote. Also, a lot of people in the top 10 list, the vendors themselves, they already have enough affiliates. They're making enough money. They don't need you. Again, if you're a brand new affiliate marketer, they don't really need your traffic because you may not have the volume of traffic that they're looking for. So it's going to be a little harder to break in that case. So again, go back to this marketplace and browse it and really think about niching down and understanding that you are going after a very specific audience, and you can be doing it inside of one of these platforms or one of these marketing education categories such as email marketing, copywriting, PLR, white label, or video marketing, or someone that is focused on SEO. Then you can go in here and you can find a good quality product to promote as an affiliate under one of those categories. The next thing I want to talk to you about is when you actually set up your account, and you can see your account information over here, and you actually go into your account and set it up. I've talked about this quite a bit here on the channel. Of course, there's links in the descriptions to other videos that you should be watching to learn more about Warrior Plus and how to use Warrior Plus as an affiliate to actually make money online. And the key to this is when you're thinking about making money online, what's going to be the first step to really getting your business set up and making sure that you look professional as an affiliate to get approval from vendors, because that's what it's going to take as well. And we're going to talk about that here in this video later, is about getting approval as an affiliate from some of these vendors. And it starts right here under My Account. When you create your Warrior Plus account as an affiliate, you're going to go in here and you're going to go under My Account. And the first thing you need to do is stop right here at the very top and click on this link that says Edit Profile. It's going to open up this page right here that you see on the screen, and it's going to allow you to put in your full name, a short bio, a tagline, a company name. It's going to allow you to connect accounts It's going to allow you to add some cover photos and a vendor logo. You may not have any of that, but you do have a picture of yourself, a real picture of yourself. So change that, put in a picture, put in a little short bio, say who you are, put in your website URL or link to your social media over here. Make sure you add a few accounts like Facebook. It's usually the biggest one, but you can see LinkedIn. Here's my Google account back when that was a thing. Twitter, right? Real social media accounts that you use as yourself or in your business, and make sure that you set that up. So when you do get to the next step of finding one of those products inside of the categories that is going to resonate with your audience, then when you go to apply as an affiliate to a vendor, they're going to take you a little more serious, especially if you're a newbie, because you have a real picture, you've identified yourself, you've linked to your website, you've linked to your social media accounts, they can find you, they can see you. And then when you go ahead and you click that request link, which I'm going to show you right now, you have a lot better chance of getting approval. So when you go under affiliate offers and you start looking for offers to promote, again, this is going to be based upon the category that you picked and you're really niching down into. And again, based on the needs of your audience, not so much the value or how much money you think you can make from promoting something from WarriorPlus. You're going to pick one of these and you're going to come in here and you're going to find that offer. And let's say that you just want to promote, and I'm not saying this is something you want to promote. I'm not saying it's not something you want to promote. I'm just using this as an example. For example, here's something called Content Press. You could come over here and you simply click this request button. It's going to bring up all the information you need to be focused on to actually, for example, if you wanted to do a review, you can come in here and you can look at the funnel map. You can understand how the front end works, how the upsells and downsells works, and you can walk through this and you can see exactly what it is you're getting to promote, as well as the products. You can see here, this is the front end product. You're going to have a downsell, upsells. You can see the price. You can see the commission structure right here. And then when you get ready to request approval, you're going to click this button that says request approval. And this is key. When you're on the WarriorPlus marketplace and you create an account, that just gives you access to the marketplace as an affiliate to go in and find good products to promote to your audience. But you actually have to interface with each vendor individually to request from that vendor the right to promote. So when you do that, you're going to click request approval right here. Then you're going to say pay to account. It defaults to WarriorPlus wallet, and I've talked about that again here on the channel. Link in the description to other videos that talk about WarriorPlus. Check those out. But here's the key, request notes, and they tell you this is optional, but really this is not optional. Unless you are an established vendor or you know this person personally and you have contact with them and you've contacted them and said you're going to apply, or you've been in contact with them and they said, hey, go request, and then you can just simply click request offer. But if you don't, then you need to actually put in some notes here, and this goes back to your profile and that real picture of you, the link to your social media, the link to your website. But don't take it for granted that the vendor is going to do that legwork for you, that they're going to go research you. Make sure that you put some information in here about exactly who you are. If you're a beginner, say you're a beginner. Specifically say how you're going to promote it and how it relates to your audience. Have a YouTube channel? Say you have a YouTube channel. Put the link to your YouTube channel. Provide some high quality detailed information to the vendor, because I'll tell you, as a vendor on WarriorPlus, it's very frustrating when people request to promote your product and they give you zero information, especially if they don't have any track record of being an affiliate before on WarriorPlus. So take some time, utilize this space wisely. Put a little note in here, say who you are, why you're promoting, how you're going to promote, email traffic. I'm going to use a bridge page. I'm going to use my YouTube channel to a bridge page. I have a specific audience, and that specific audience is highly targeted traffic for your offer. Put that information in here. Go ahead, click this request offer. Once you do that, you'll see right here your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified by email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. And then you close that, and then you're going to see right here your request to promote this offer is pending. And again, you will get an email that either accepts or denies you from the vendor, and that email will be from WarriorPlus. And then you'll be able to go in here and you'll be able to grab your links. And of course, that will look like this when you go into offers. After you've made a few requests and those start getting approved, you can drop down here under show all offers and you can look at approved only. When those approvals start rolling in, and they will start rolling in if you follow these steps that I've just talked about and you actually present yourself as a professional, fill out your profile. When you go to request, put that information in there that's detailed exactly how you're going to promote and why your audience is a good audience for this product. You'll start getting these approvals, and then you can see here, for example, this product right here. All you have to do is go get link, and then you'll get your link right here. You'll copy this link, and then you can start setting this link up for your audience to click on. And now let me talk about and show you how to do that, other than just taking this link and posting it on social media or just putting it in an email and hoping for the best. Let me show you a little strategy to wrap this up of how to get the most out of your efforts and all the work that you're going to be putting in as an affiliate marketer to actually use WarriorPlus and make money online as an affiliate marketer. So again, we copied this link right here, and we're going to take that link and we're going to build what's called a bridge page or a landing page that links from our message that tells people in our audience exactly why they should be using this product and why they should click on the link to go to that sales page. So for example, let's say we're using YouTube. So we create a YouTube video and we're doing a review. In this one, I did a review on quantum commissions. You can see right here, quantum commissions review, done for you custom bonus. And then what I did down here is I put a link in the description. Don't get quantum commissions without watching this review first, then pick up your custom done for you bonus here. And I put a link. Now when somebody clicks on that link, it's not going to take them directly to that affiliate link to the sales page. Now I'm saying you can do that, and I get a little lazy sometimes, and it does happen where I'll just link directly to a sales page, specifically if it's really highly targeted to my audience, and I know for a fact that this is something they're going to buy, and inside of my review video, I just talk about the sales page. But in this case, I did offer a bonus. So what I wanted to do was set up what's called a bridge page. So when people click on this link, they're going to land on this page right here, which talks about quantum commissions review. It has a little logo here, and that logo is the logo from the sales page. And I'm going to show you the sales page here in a second, and you're going to see how I'm staying consistent and keeping congruency between my bonus page and the sales page. And then I put a little other information in here. Following the training, I've highlighted some of the benefits right here. Then I go down here and I talk about the actual bonuses that I'm offering. And then what I do here is once I get through all the bonus information and I talk about exactly in more detail and highlight the aspects of the review that I did and the reason that my audience is going to want to click on this button to get it, I put a button here, click here to get quantum commissions, and that affiliate link that we got from WarriorPlus right here, once we got approval from the vendor to promote, this link right here, this is the link that I'm going to copy right here into my buffer. And then when I build that squeeze page, of course, this squeeze page can be built in WordPress with Thrive Architect, which I use and recommend here on the channel. It could also be just as easily built inside of Groove pages and Groove funnels, again, which I recommend here on the channel. You're going to provide that link right here on this button. So then people are going to click here to get quantum commissions. Then at that point, they're going to go to the sales page. Now, what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is sort of twofold in the thinking as an affiliate marketer. You don't want to just send traffic directly from your review or directly to the sales page, specifically during a big product launch, because as a vendor, you want your traffic to be very targeted, because what you're doing is you're looking at the numbers and you're also utilizing those numbers to get other high quality affiliates on board. So you want to make sure that this traffic is ready to buy and targeted traffic. So when you paste that link in there, they're going to click on that and then they're ready because they've gone through here, they've seen this, they've gone through the bonus that I'm offering, they're ready, they're warmed up, and they're like, yes, I want quantum commissions, I want the bonuses that Gary is offering, so I'm going to click on this button to get it now. And then at that point, it's going to jump over to the sales page. They're going to land on the sales page, and as you can see that quantum commissions logo, the same logo I used in my bridge page, the same logo and the same product that I've been talking about in that review video that I did right here on YouTube. You can see right there, the logo's on my review video. The logo's on my bridge page that I created with my affiliate link that I got from WarriorPlus once I got approval. Again, after setting up my profile and putting a real picture of myself and some information and letting the vendor know that I'm going to send highly targeted quality traffic to his offer. Going to click on that Get It Now, land on the sales page, and then that right there is when they're going to look at this. They're going to go down. Yes, I want quantum commissions because you as an affiliate marketer have provided detailed information and a solid review, as well as maybe a really good bonus that fills in the gaps of this product, because all products don't have everything. Every product's missing something that you as an affiliate can most likely fill in that gap and provide just that little last piece of information that your audience really needs or they've come to expect from you. And that's how you can start using WarriorPlus to make money online as an affiliate. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.